Student, today we see about the cell. Cell is a structural and functional unit of body which is capable of doing all functions independently. Cell consists one nucleus and second is a cytoplasm and its organelles. Cytoplasmic contains Golgi apparatus, endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria, lysosome, centrioles and cell membrane. It also contains inclusions like a pigment, small particles of protein, lipid, carbohydrate, thin filament, and granules. So, here is a picture of cell structure. It contains cytoplasm, then nucleus. Nucleus contains nucleus, contain chromatin material, cell membrane. This is mitochondria, reticulum, endoplasmic reticulum, which is rough and smooth. Vacuoles, centrosomes, microtubules, and lysosome. First, we see about the plasma membrane. Plasma membrane, or it is known as a cell membrane. Cell membrane is the outermost coating of cell and contains the cytoplasm substance within it. It is a double layer membrane composed of protein and lipid. The lipid molecules on outer and inner part allow to selectively transport substance in and out of cell. So it is a thin semi-permeable membrane. It is very consistent around the cell. All living cells have a plasma membrane. Then functions of cell membrane. It protects internal cell organe or content. It also regulates molecules that pass in and out of cell through the plasma membrane. Therefore, it controls the homeostasis. The proteins are actively involved in transporting material across the membrane. The protein and lipid allow cell communications and carbohydrate which is decorate both the protein and lipid and help cell recognize. Endoplasmic reticulum. So here is a endoplasmic reticulum, rough and smooth. Endoplasmic reticulums are tubular structures scattered in the cytoplasm. It contains network of tubules and vesicles. There are two types of endoplasmic reticulum, rough and smooth. So what is difference between rough and smooth? Rough endoplasmic contain the combination of protein and enzyme, and this part of endoplasmic reticulum contain number of ribosome giving it the rough appearance. Functions: synthesize new protein and secretions. Then smooth endoplasmic reticulum. It does not have any attached ribosomes and its function to synthesize different types of lipid only and steroid hormones. The smooth endoplasmic reticulum also play a role in carbohydrate and drug metabolism. Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus was first observed by Camillo Golgi in 1898 near the nucleus. It closely associated with endoplasmic reticulum, and in that substance produced in the endoplasmic reticulum are transported as a vesicle and fuses with the Golgi apparatus. In this way, the product from the ER are stored in the Golgi apparatus and converted into different substances that are necessary for cells' various functions. They consist many flat disc-shaped sacs or systems stacked parallel to each other. Golgi apparatus perform the functions of packaging of material and its transportation. A number of proteins synthesized by ribosome are modified in cysteine of Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus is the site for synthesis of glycoprotein and glycolipid. Here is a lysosome. Lysosomes are membrane-bound vesicle structure formed by the process of packaging of Golgi apparatus. It varies in size and function depending on the type of cell. They are rich in hydrolytic enzyme, lipase, protease, carbohydrates, and active at acidic pH. These enzymes are capable of digesting carbohydrates, protein, lipids, and nucleic acid. Lysosome contain enzymes that help the digestion of nutrient in the cell, break down any cellular debris and microorganism like a bacteria. The structure that's similar to lysosome, that it contains the secretory vesicles. It contains enzymes that are not used within the cell but outside the cell. For example, secretory vesicles of pancreatic release a digestive enzyme which help the digestion of nutrient in the gut. Vacuoles are membrane bound space found in the cytoplasm containing water, sap and excretory product. They are bound by the single membrane. They form contractile vacuoles and food vacuoles in many organisms. So this is the structure of lysosome, lipid layer. This is the innermost lipid layer. Here membrane, hydrolytic enzyme mixtures occur in that portion. These are the glycosylate membrane transport protein. Mitochondria. Mitochondria is also known as the powerhouse of cell. Is a double membrane bond. Is a double membrane bond structure with the outer membrane and inner membrane dividing its lumen into two compartments. The inner membrane forms a number of infolding called the cristae towards the matrix. Two membranes have their own specific enzymes. Mitochondria are the sites for aerobic respiration. They produce the cellular energy in the form of ATP and they are called the powerhouse of cell. The matrix of mitochondria also contains circular DNA molecules for a few RNA molecules, ribosomes and components of protein synthesis. Mitochondria, these are the powerhouse of cell and break down the nutrients to yield energy. Apart from the producing its own energy, it also produces high energy compound called ATP, means adenosine triphosphate, which can be used as a simple energy sources elsewhere. Then structure of nucleus. It is a double layer membrane and continuous channel of membranes from the endoplasmic reticulum network. The membrane has a pores. These are the pores. Membrane has the pores which allow entry large molecules. Here the entry of large molecules. Nucleus contain hereditary material of cell, the DNA, and it sends signals to cell to grow, mature, divide and die. The nucleus is surrounded by nuclear envelope that separate the DNA from the rest of cell. So here we see the nuclear envelope DNA here. The nucleus are the tiny small bodies found in the nucleus. The tiny small bodies found in the nucleus. The nucleus and its components organisms are suspended in nucleoplasm. So here we see the nucleoplasm. Functions. The primary role of nucleus to control and regulate cell activities of growth and maintain cell metabolism. It also carries the genes that have hereditary information of cell. The chromosomal DNA and genetic material which are made up of genetic coded ultimately make up their proteins amino acid sequence for use by cell. Therefore, the nucleus is the information center and the site for transcription and mRNA transported. So here's the structure, endoplasmic reticulum, then it is the nucleus, a chromatin material present, then nucleoplasm, nuclear pores, and nuclear envelope. So some questions on the cells. What is cell? The cell is defined as fundamental, structural and functional unit of all life. Then some functions or characteristic of cells. Cell provide structural support for an organism, genetic information necessary for reproduction. Structurally, the cell has cell organelle which are suspended in cytoplasm. Mitochondria is a powerhouse of cell. Lysosome digests metabolic waste and foreign particles in the cell. Endoplasmic reticulum synthesis selective molecules and processes them. Then some consists of cell structure and its components, cell membrane, cell wall, cell organelle, nucleus, nuclear membrane, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi bodies, ribosome, mitochondria, lysosome and vacuoles. So these are some components. What are the functions of cells? The essential functions of cells. Cells provide supports and structure of the body. Is provide the energy. It also helps in genetic information transmission. So these are the functions of cell. Here is the some functions of cell organelle. Nucleus. It is the site of ribosome synthesis involved in controlling cellular activities and cellular reproduction. Nuclear membrane protects nucleus by forming boundary between the nucleus and other cell organelle. Chromosomes is a crucial role in determining sex of individual. Each human cell has 23 pairs of chromosomes. Endoplasmic reticulum is involved in the transportation of substance throughout the cell. Golgi bodies also called the cell post office as it involved in the transportation of material within the cell. Ribosome. The ribosomes are the protein synthesis of cell. Mitochondria is also called powerhouse of cell because it produces ATP. Lysosome protect the cell by engulfing the foreign bodies entering the cell and helps in the cell renewal. Therefore, it is known as a cell suicide bags. Types of cell depending upon the ability to reproduce. 3. Permanent cells, labile cells and stable cells. Permanent cells, these are incapable of multiplying under any situation. Example given nerve cell. Labile cells multiplying throughout the life under the physiological condition to replace lost ones of their own kind. Cells of epidermis and mucous membrane. And stable cells means do not divide normally but can multiply if need arises. Example given liver cells. Thank you.